Changing your primary device on Hulu is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you can access your account on your preferred device. Step 1. Sign into your Hulu account. Open the Hulu app or website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the device that you want to set as your primary device. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon and name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Manage devices. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Manage Devices or Device Management. Click on this option to view all devices currently linked to your Hulu account. Step 4. Remove old primary device. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Set new primary device. Now return to the device you want to set as your new primary device. Open the Hulu app and start streaming. This device should automatically be recognized as your primary device. By following these steps, you can easily change your primary device on Hulu. Enjoy your streaming experience.